In a quaint seaside village, there lived a humble fisherman named Marco. One day, while casting his net into the sparkling waters, he felt an unexpected weight. With anticipation, he pulled up his net and discovered a small, luminous pearl glowing like a moonlit gem. Word of Marco's discovery spread through the village, attracting the attention of a wealthy merchant named Alessandro. Intrigued by the pearl's beauty, Alessandro offered Marco a substantial sum for his find. However, Marco, driven by a sense of wonder and a connection to the sea, chose to keep the precious pearl. As days passed, the pearl became more than just a valuable possession. Its ethereal glow seemed to bring good fortune to Marco and the village. The once struggling fisherman now found his nets teeming with a bountiful catch, and the villagers prospered. News of the mystical pearl reached the ears of the king, who was fascinated by tales of its enchanting powers. Determined to possess such a treasure, he dispatched emissaries to negotiate with Marco. Despite the tempting offers, Marco refused to part with the pearl, recognizing its significance to the village's prosperity. The king, not accustomed to being denied, grew angered and devised a plan to seize the precious pearl by force. Unbeknownst to him, the villagers, led by Marco, devised a clever strategy to protect their cherished possession. As the king's emissaries approached, the villagers presented him with an exquisite replica of the pearl, crafted by the skilled hands of the village artisan. The king, deceived by the flawless imitation, departed, believing he had acquired the coveted jewel. Meanwhile, Marco and the villagers concealed the real pearl in a secret underwater cave, ensuring its safety from the king's greed. The village continued to thrive, and the pearl remained a symbol of resilience and unity. Years passed, and the memory of the precious pearl became a legend whispered from generation to generation. Marco, now an elder, passed down the tale to the village youth, emphasizing the importance of valuing what truly matters, their community and the enduring spirit of the sea. And so, the luminous pearl, once a simple fisherman's discovery, became a timeless symbol of resilience, unity, and the enduring magic that resides in the simplest of treasures.